Hi, my name is Kerry Lyons and I'm the Global Sales Manager for Trelleborg Applied Technologies. We're based at our manufacturing site in Rochdale in England, and over the past 18 months we have done an extensive market study into the Syntaccis thermoforming materials. We've developed a new range and I'd like to tell you about them today. First of all, we have Syntaccis. This is a core industrial solution. It's actually our everyday tooling solution. It's suitable for use up to 180 degrees C. It's cost effective. It's very easy to machine, very lightweight. It has consistent, reliable quality, and it can be polished to a very, very smooth surface. It's an alternative to the standard traditional methods of aluminium, wood, felt and nylon. We also have our HTS version, which is a high temperature solution. This is right up to 220 degrees C. It produces a very high quality material. It's got excellent uniformity. Again, it's very lightweight and durable. And the key thing about this is it maintains its hardness up to 220 degrees. Again, this is an alternative to the standard traditional tools that are used. We have our STS, which is strong, tough solutions. Now this is a very good wear and abrasion resistance product. So when you've got a deep draw where you need to have good clarity from the bottom all the way up to the top, this product is an excellent choice. It's got very good edge definition, so you can have very fine detail on your tool and you have very minimal breakage. All three products are dimensionally stable at elevated temperatures. They're all made in Rochdale in the UK, which means we have excellent quality control and we've got very short lead times. They're available in sheet and bar form, which is the traditional pack sizes, and you can machine them easily on the CNC machine in your own tool shop. They are all caster shape. So if you supply the drawings, we can cast a shape and finish machine the tools as well. And we can pre-fit inserts into them. So if you supply them or give us the specifications, we can fit them into the tool as we're manufacturing them. And therefore you just receive the whole thing and plug it into your machine and use it immediately. Free samples are available of all the products. And my contact details are on the screen. So if you'd like any information or if you've got any questions that you'd like to ask, please either give me a call, drop me an email, and I am available on Teams. Thank you.